Hi everyone, today's video is going to be a little bit special. I'm not going to talk to you about a new way of making money online. That's going to be on a next video. I've got some news about merch by Amazon and I'll show you everything in details on the next video. So today it's going to be about being monetized on YouTube and your AdSense account and a mistake I made with my AdSense account that I want you to avoid, so it could be very smooth for you. So when you hit your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 hours of views on YouTube, you're eligible to be monetized. Being monetized means that now YouTube is going to place ads on your videos and you can get paid for that. They pay you once a month, if I'm not mistaken. And you need to have an AdSense account to get paid because this is how they pay you. So when I got monetized not so long ago, I linked my AdSense account thinking everything would be fine, and I thought, you know, everything is gonna be okay with that AdSense account, but it wasn't okay at all. When I checked my account yesterday, I saw that everything was set in Australian dollar because I used to live in Australia, so my bank details were my previous ones in Australia. My address was wrong, everything was wrong. So I thought that I would simply just go on the settings and change the country and I'd be fine. But it appears that AdSense does not let you change the country. So know that if you have the wrong country on your AdSense account, if you moved countries since you created your account, you will no longer be able to use that account because they want you to have your AdSense account with your current details, your current bank account, address, where you pay taxes, obviously. So my Australian one was no longer valid. So I kind of searched, you know, what could I do, and found out that the only way to do it was to close that old account and to open a new one. The thing is that I had a little bit of money on my old accounts. It was not a lot of money, but it was some money. So that's why I want to warn you. If you have a lot of money sitting on your AdSense account and you moved countries, try to get that money out. Hopefully you have someone living in that country that could receive a check for you. Hopefully you still have your bank account open in that country so you can receive the money, but make sure you know about that. So when you close your account, AdSense is going to send you an email saying that we close your account. Any money above whatever amount, for me it was 15 Australian dollars. So everything above 15 Australian dollars was going to be sent to my bank account over there that I no longer have. So obviously I'm going to lose that money. It's okay. It wasn't much, so I don't mind. But if you do have a lot of money, just know that this can really impact you. So make sure that you close your account with, you know, having a possibility to get that money out, or else you're gonna lose everything anyways. You know, you will lose everything. So that would be sad if you do have a lot of money sitting in that AdSense account and AdSense can do nothing about that. So the next process is to create a new AdSense account. Luckily I already had one, and again, you need to know you can only have one account, not two, not three, just one. And I didn't know about that. So I already had one account that I created when I moved here in Canada, and I was able to request that other account to be linked to my YouTube channel. And so I did. I sent a request yesterday night. I asked the customer representative if I was going to be able to still make some money off my videos while they were reviewing my new account, and he said that no, that was not possible. So you need to know that as well. If you're making a lot of money with your videos already, your channel is quite big, you need to know that if you have to switch AdSense accounts, you will no longer be monetized while they're reviewing your new account, because you will have no accounts, AdSense account linked to your YouTube channel. So they told me that it could take days, so I was okay with that because I just recently got monetized, so I know I'm not making a lot with that, so it's not a huge deal for me. I didn't mind, so I was gonna wait for it. But I just want you to know that it doesn't take long. It took probably a few hours for my new AdSense account to be approved and linked to my YouTube channel, because I woke up this morning and verified and everything was linked, everything was fine on my accounts. So know that it only takes a few hours. It shouldn't take very long. If everything is fine with your account, it shouldn't take long. Now, another thing you need to know is that if you're trying to grow your YouTube channel, make sure you create your AdSense account fairly soon, because the process to create your AdSense account and get verified can take some time. Back in the days when I did create my accounts, they were sending a mail in the box with a code, and you had to verify the code to confirm your account. So this can take some time. So if you're almost eligible to be monetized, you might have to wait until, and if you don't have an AdSense account, you might have to wait until you get that AdSense account verified. So try to do that in advance if you don't already have an AdSense account. If you do have one with the wrong country, you know that you won't be able to use that one. So make sure you take that money out, then close it, open a new account with your current address, and you'll be fine. If you still live in the same country but you change the address, that's fine, you can do it in the settings, no issue. But if you have to change the country, that's where the problem is. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful for some of you guys. If it was, please give me some thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video.